Hi everyone, in this video I am going to unbox VGA to HDMI converter. This is mainly used for devices where still VGA ports are there and no HDMI ports for the device. So using this converter you can convert an VGA port to HDMI port. This you can use it for laptops, monitors and where and all VGA port is there. And using that VGA port, if you want to connect it to HDMI port, you can use this converter. Let me unbox. This I bought it for around 300 from local market. This supports full HD 1080p. So this is how it looks like. Inside we have the actual converter. You can see one side you have the VGA male port, other side you have HDMI female port and one 3.5mm jack. And also inside the box you will have one USB cable for charging this device, this converter, and one aux cable for extracting the audio from the input source, and there is one manual for this device. Let me show you how to connect it. So on one side of this USB cable you will have micro USB. You need to connect this to this device like this. And the other end need to be inserted into a power adapter. And also this aux needs to be connected. One side to this device and the other sides to the either laptop or any other source to which you want to connect this converter. And the HDMI cable needs to be inserted here on this side and the other side to the monitor or some other device. Let me show you how to insert this to a laptop which is having VGA port. So this VGA male port has to be connected to this VGA female port of this laptop like this. And you need to tighten the screws so it won't be loose. As I said earlier, other side of this USB has to be inserted into power adapter, and this 3.5mm jack needs to be inserted into the audio jack of this laptop. Let me insert the HDMI cable. So this HDMI cable needs to be connected like this. As you can see, this laptop is having a VGA port. We inserted our VGA adapter and external power source was connected using this cable, and the audio was extracted from this laptop using this aux cable, and we converted this VGA port to HDMI using this HDMI cable. So this is how you need to connect your USB cable to the power adapter, like this. So that is how you can convert your VGA port to HDMI using this converter. Thanks a lot for watching the video.